So how long should your next home renovation take? That depends, really.
How long do you think all that'll take?
2 weeks.
Really? Yeah, that's all.
There are many factors that can determine and change your renovation schedule. We'll talk about the big ones in this video. Stay tuned. Hey, Jake with JWK Design here, helping families just like yours create their comfortable modern home. On this channel, you'll find videos about the questions that you should be asking architects and designers, and the process of renovating your home just like this one. If you're new here, consider subscribing below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Probably the most obvious factor would be the scope of work. Just how big of a renovation are you planning to tackle? If you're looking at a single bathroom remodel, you might be looking at 4 to 6 or 8 weeks.
Any idea when you're going to be finished here?
2 weeks.
But a whole house, I don't think I could answer that on a single YouTube video. Next would be material availability. And this is an especially big factor if you have specified material from overseas or specialty fixtures. Tiles and lighting from Italy comes to mind, where it can take several months just to get the items produced, then shipped, then through customs, and finally to your home. And even with domestically sourced materials, delays can happen. Next would be the workload of your contractor. And if he or she has a backlog of projects, you can bet that their subcontractors are backlogged as well.
How long will it take to put this place together?
2 weeks.
Without the right planning and scheduling and open communication, delays from sub to sub can create something of a domino effect where one guy delays the next, delays the next, delays the next. The biggest factor that probably encompasses the first three would be planning. You'll need to plan for the design process, the permit review process, material lead times, scheduling of deliveries and subcontractors, and if you're adding an addition out into your property, adding a second story, or simply punching new doors and windows through existing walls, you'll want to create a buffer in your schedule for winter or rainy conditions. The two best tips that I can provide for understanding and managing your renovation schedule: 1, get a good designer on your team that can accurately document your renovation. For example, your architect should clearly outline the walls and windows to come out on a demolition plan, and of course have accurate floor plans and elevations for what's going to be put back. In a landscape design, you'll want the documents to note any existing trees to remain or come out, as well as underground drainage and irrigation work that will need to happen first. And finally, for an interior design project, you'll want to see a clear and specific material schedule so your contractor knows what to bid, what to order, and when to order it. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't say, please don't base your renovation schedule off an HGTV or DIY network show.
I do get the permits. How long will the job take? 2 weeks.
The amount of pre-planning, on-site logistics, extra labor, overnight labor, and sponsorships are really what's needed to cram a renovation, big or small, into a half-hour TV show. And I know it depends maybe wasn't the answer that you were looking for, but I hope that this understanding of the factors that go into planning a renovation schedule were helpful. If you have other questions on the design and construction process that you'd like to see answered in a future video, leave a comment below or reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag JustAskJake. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe button below. Share it if you know someone who's about to take on a renovation of their own. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, see ya. Let's do this all again because I had my microphone turned off the entire time.